Hey, look, I have a Patreon. Ooh. Ah. And now a video. Hello, everyone. Today, I'm currently in my basement because I'm going to be reviewing something special. It is the Flying Scotsman train set from Hornby, double gauge train set. This box is huge. This is my hand, in case you forgot about that. So I've been chasing my dog around that outside at the back, in my yard. Let's look at the box. It says Hornby, there's Flying Scotsman, 4472 NER. I hate the fact that the brake coach is like that. It's not supposed to be like that. I don't think. At least that's what Thomas told me. I got all the parts kind of like shown right here and listed. Track mat, 1600 millimeters by 128, 1280 millimeters. Starter oval track and track pack A. It's for age 8 plus. Let's read the thing right here. The LNER class A1. That's what Gordon is based on. Sorry about that. The LNER the LNER class A1462 locomotive and classic teak coaches. And this set is a stylized representation of the Flying Scotsman train as it ran non-stop from London to Edinburgh in the summer seasons of the 1930s. The prototype locomotive had a corridor link through the tender to the coaches to allow crew to switch over without stopping the train. This set contains the starter oval track plus extension, track pack A, providing a layout with a siding, but you can also add extra track packs when you're ready to enlarge your circuit. There's a side just so I do more pictures of Scotsman, and here's like a guide to like more stuff I can get for it. Expand your layout into these stages. Later. Was that 18 out of 20? Huh, why is it 18 out of 20? Oh well. Right. Also, ignore this. It's like warning stuff. We don't need warning stuff where we're at. Because I'm American and I like British locomotives. We also have you probably guess where that song's from. Right. Ooh, flap. Let's get ready. Are you ready? I know, it's in the video right here. Just kidding. And it's a box in a box. If I flip it over, probably the other way. Right. So I might need two hands. Hang on a second. Jump cut. Right. Look, we got a plug. That's American. Finally, something that isn't British or European. I don't know. Well, I'm actually just kidding. Hang on a second. I'm gonna use my foot to. There she is. Is it a she? I think it's a she. Oh, that is beautiful. Look at that. I got coaches there. Tracks here. That's the got trucks. We got more tracks. We got like a switch with a turn. Oh, I see how that tracks now. Okay. Gotta be very careful with that. Got more tracks. Like a turning. Is that trap Mac located under the pulp tray? Oh, this? Oh, this. Oh, there it is. Got the knob. Got whatever this is. I don't know what that is. Let's take out the package. It's yes. What is this? It didn't say what it was. Someone tell me what this is, okay? Actually, Sam's Trains might tell me what that is, because I think he might have lots of them. Litter. Got a bag. Litter. What's that? Oh, it's like I think it's like extra bits for a flying Scotsman. I think. Interesting. I'm gonna sit there. We got the plug. Hornby is like, I thought I said Erdo. I was like, huh? Erdo's still in business? What's this? Oh, it's buffers. We got like buffers. How does that fit on the track? Hang on. I'll say something. Ah, I see. Okay, I kind of got it. Right. So that's the coaches. Okay. Very carefully. Okay. Litter. Please don't actually litter. I mean, you can in your house, but actually don't really actually litter in your house. That is really nice. That's actually like really, really beautiful. Next one. Look at that, the buffers. They're not sprung, sadly. Well, is this like this is like a guide for to like, get your trains on better? Hang on a second, I'm gonna try that. It looks like it is. Hang on. Ah. Hang on a second. Okay, so I separated the other tracks. Let's see if this is what this is. I don't think it is. What is this? Seriously, is it actually to help guide trains onto track easier? Because if it is, it's like the worst thing ever. I'm putting it over there. Next coach, which looks to be the brake coach. And last but not least, the beauty herself. Being very careful with this. Okay, slide, 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 slide. There you go. So, open that up. Ooh. God, that is beautiful. Look at the interior. It's beautiful. It's right there. Careful, careful, careful. And then her tender. That cord, that call. That's really nice. Oh, just remembered the, mat is under here. If your name's Matt, hello. Let's put that over there. We got some more stuff. Ooh, that's an interesting, Stevenson's rocket and an intercity. Is that the one that, Bryn tried to make where it, like, tilted like a motorcycle? That, Mustard did a video on? Hey, look, it's up there. Probably he did. We got building a world. Snore. We got, what? Oh, that's instructions. Owner's manual. We got, Hornby. Oh, that's like the, address to Hornby. Right. I'm gonna jump cut until I get this all set up. And jump cut. Right, so the track is all set up. I make sure it's all nice and connected evenly. Got everything plugged in. Got a way box. And Flying Scotsman himself. I'm gonna call it him because, like, Flying Scotsman is a male in the railway series. I thought that was an Animal Crossing villager, that yellow guy right there, but it's not. It's a lady who looks to be looking down. Actually, no, she's like holding something. It's an old lady holding like a purse or something. Yep. Everything looks like it's all on the tracks evenly. LNER. This, piece came off of something. I don't know what this is. If I'm gonna tell me what that is, it'll be too late because it's already broken off. Right. Let's do the, slow start. I should probably do that. Right now. Right. Everything's all plugged in. Are we ready? I'm not. Right. Put my camera right there. Focus. Right. Okay, that's backwards. Slowly. Careful. Oh, he's going. Come on. Slow start. Come on. Crawl. I'll give you help. I'll blow on you. Come on. It's also scientist. Hey, it's oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at him go. Alright, it's oh no! What happened? Why'd you derail? Oh, that's why. Hang on.